Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? In this video I'll be walking you through how to create an Airbnb account for free. So you will find the link to this website in the description of this video below. So then you can proceed on to the top right corner right here where you see sign up. And if you already have an account already, then you don't have to sign up again. Just click on login. But then I don't have an account with Airbnb before, so I'll be clicking on sign up. Then to take you straight on to this page right here where you can select your region, your phone number, then click on continue. And if you don't want to follow any of these two methods right here, you can sign up using your Facebook account, your Google account, or your Apple ID, as well as your email directly. But then I'll prefer to sign up with my own Google account, so which is my Gmail. So I'm going to click on that, and there will be a pop-up where they ask me to authorize my Gmail account with the Airbnb. As you can see right here, choose an account to continue to Airbnb. So I'm going to be selecting my business Gmail account. So then I'm going to approve by continuing accepting the privacy policy and terms of service of Airbnb with the Google account. So I'm going to click on continue. All right, so you can see right here it was asking for my legal name. You can see right here this is my full name, the last name on ID. So I'm gonna erase this one right here because it's not included in my ID. So I'm gonna copy this, then bring it down to this second box right here. I'm gonna select my date of birth, then day and month, then year. All right, so then you're gonna select your contact info, which is your Gmail. Then we will email you trip confirmation and receipt. So this info came from Google. Then we're gonna click on agree and continue. All right, so Airbnb is a community where anyone can belong to ensure blah. So all this one you can actually read through, and those are the things that they don't accept. So you have to read through before you agree and continue to sign up on the platform. So I'm going to click on agree and continue after reading and accepting the terms and conditions about Airbnb. So right here, my account is fully set up for free without any issue. As you can see right here, welcome to Airbnb, discover new places to stay and unique experiences around the world. Then I'm going to click on continue, or you can also click on cancel right here. So you can input your phone number right here, text me a link to the free Airbnb app, and if you don't want to download the app, you can say I will do this later. So I'll prefer to do that later. So here I have fully sign up or create my Airbnb account for free without any issue. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.